I'll have to be honest with you. First thing I'm going to mention right up front is it's free. I like this service when it's free because, you know, you can tie up a lot of money in different services, and from experience I found out that sometimes you can pay a lot of money and you may not be getting that much out of it.
Good afternoon, welcome to GrainTV. My name is Cody Bills, this is Logan Burgess. Today is Monday the 19th, and we had soybeans moving sharply higher here, closing off the day 20.25 cents higher than that July contract. Corn traded lower here, down 6.25 cents, and wheat trading up a quarter penny here. Now, we did have export inspections come out earlier on in the trade. Wheat and soybeans both came out on the high side of analyst expectations. None of them actually beat the analyst expectations. Corn came in within line with the analyst expectations. So really no huge surprises, but for wheat and for soybeans it was very positive here. Yeah. But what was the reasons soybean really took that sharp move higher early on in the trade?
You know, it wasn't really one reason in particular, Cody. Not a lot of fundamental information for this market to chew over early in the session. Big focus of today's trade, though, was the crop progress report. We just got those out here just a few moments ago, and you can see here from this table, 73% of corn reported planting, 3% behind the 5-year average. Soybeans, though, lagging a little bit right now, 5% behind the national average, and some concerns about the ability to get this soybean crop into the ground, especially in northern states, Minnesota, North Dakota in particular right now, severely lagging behind the 5-year average. So as I said, in today's trade we saw a lot of weakness out of new crop corn, a lot of strength out of new crop beans, so it seems like with these planting pace numbers in mind, that's kind of what traders were focusing on today. You know, as I said in the beginning, though, not a lot of firm information to kick soybeans 20 cents higher here on a Monday.
So soybeans trading higher here. Now the question is this rally a rally that producers should be looking at to price some of their new crop grain here on the November contract?
You know, I think it would be. You know, as we know, the growing season's far from over. We could get a big weather run here, but given the current state of things, we are 5% behind planting pace compared to the 5-year average. But you know, as we saw last week in corn, a huge quantity of this crop can get into the ground given the right growing conditions. It looks like over the next 6 to 10 days that's going to present itself even in northern states, Minnesota into North Dakota. So with that in mind, and with how large the acreage expectations are for this year, I think if you can get soybeans on the board for November at $12.30, you know, make a small sale at that price level. Hopefully we see this market move higher. But given the acreage numbers, given ending stock projections, I think there's a good chance we're not going to be seeing $12 soybeans come October. And I guess, you know, if it was my farm, that's kind of what I'd be doing, taking a little bit of risk here off the table on some of these good rallies that we're seeing in the soybean market.
That sounds fair enough. Now, a lot of our producers here at Grain Hedge are using their mobile trading platform to monitor their positions and keep an eye on prices. Yep. One of the nice features of that platform is the ability to set alerts. So if you are getting up early, taking a look at the markets, yep, go ahead and set an alert on that mobile phone, and then as you're going about the day, you can be alerted if that price objective is met, right, in which case you can give a call to your broker and take some action if that's a part of your marketing plan. Yep. But go ahead and give us a call at 877-472-4607 if any of those features interest you, or if you just like to take a demo of the platform. Other than that, guys, that wraps up today's show. We'll see you here tomorrow.